What is up, you guys? It's your boy P Shizzle 08 coming back again with another workout video. This one, I'm gonna be telling y'all what I think is the best pre-workout on the planet. It's called Amino Energy. This one has electrolytes. They also have some that don't have electrolytes up in it. What I really like about these, besides the fact that they're really cheap, is that they actually work. They don't have you feeling jittery or too shaky or anything like that. Like, they give you just the right amount of energy you need. And I'm gonna open it up for you real quick so y'all can see the inside. This one is almost gone. Oh shit, my apologies. But this is what it looks like. When you buy a full tub of this, it's weird because it only comes up to about right here or so, but you still get your servings. And we got the grape flavor right here. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that's it. But yeah, I just started back working out consistently like a year ago. So I've been through the trial and error method of buying so many different pre-workouts or energy boosters, and after I ran up on this one, this is the last brand of pre-workout or energy drink type of, supplements that I'll buy, because they actually work and they work well for me. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and mix some up. I can't say it's the best thing on the planet without actually using it, I'm gonna go in with the grape. Let's see. We got our 1 scoop, as you can see. We got our shaker cup. Shout out to Cup Collector for making these awesome cups. Pretty cool. I'm gonna set that right there. We're gonna pop the top. And I usually just use 1 scoop. And the ratio on these are basically 1 scoop per every 6 ounces. So I only use 6 ounces when I work out, so that explains the 1 scoop. We're gonna shake it up. Turn the camera this way. We're gonna drink this thing. Oh yeah, that's another thing. They taste really, really good too. Like some of them, some of those pre-workouts, like, I don't know, I can tell they work, but like they're like really, really nasty. These things right here, boy, I'm trying to tell you. All right, I'm gonna take a quick break and we about to hit these weights. That's what we about to do. Alright, you guys, so that concludes our workout. I need you to do 3 things. Go get you some of this with the aminos in it. It's gonna help you build some guns. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We out.